So this is walking around the corner from Joe's house. You can see just snap these cedars right off. Look at that. Here we're looking at your place. Unbelievable. The cedar trees really catch the wind, I guess, when they come through in these twisters. Can't even make a good bear out of that one. Porch took a beating. A little of a mess inside. Just carnage. You can see the roof's pretty rough. Got torn up pretty good. Backside got beat up pretty good too. See all the cedar trees taken out back here. I mean, look at this. This thing just ripped right through here. This guy's down. You can see the neighbor's roof. Totally messed up. The front here, again, just bad news. This is insane stuff. Well, usually need to get a permit from the Corps of Engineers to cut down trees this close to the lake, but apparently the view has been made by Mother Nature. Absolutely crazy. That's what a tornado will do to a neighborhood. Man, insane.